Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the spicy fried chicken sandwich or burger. You can make this and serve this as it is, or you can make a sandwich or a burger recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. To start off here, I'm using 1.5 cups of buttermilk in a large bowl. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons homemade yogurt, which is thick yogurt. You can use store-bought Greek yogurt as well. Combine well, and to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon paprika. You can also use cayenne pepper if you prefer. 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 jalapeno that is sliced, 1 shallot that is sliced. This is a small shallot sliced, and then just separate them into small florets. 1 teaspoon fennel seed, crushed or whole, salt as needed. Now go ahead and add half a teaspoon white pepper or a black pepper. Combine well until it's all incorporated well. At this point, it looks nice and thick. It's okay. We are going to add more ingredients to it. Here I'm adding 1 egg that is whisked. This is optional. If you don't want egg, you can totally skip that. Combine well, and now I'm adding half a cup of milk. Go ahead and mix everything. Set it aside while we prepare the chicken. I'm using 2 large chicken breasts. You can use chicken thighs if you prefer. Now I'm going to cut this into half, and I've also lined my cutting board with a parchment paper or a butter paper. Now slice them into another half. Now we are going to just pound it gently to make into a nice thin layer. Now before doing that, I'm going to place another butter paper on top of the chicken, and using a rolling pin or anything that is heavy, you can just gently flatten it up by pounding it. And you don't have to work too hard, then you will have broken pieces. So just be gentle. Now season with salt and pepper as needed, and set it aside for at least 5 minutes to marinate. While that is marinating, we will bring the buttermilk mixture, and then we are going to add this chicken to the buttermilk mixture and combine well, as make sure everything is soaked inside the buttermilk, and marinate overnight at least for 8 hours is preferred. Now here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a cup of corn flour. Now go ahead and add some salt, half a teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. I am using a fresh grated nutmeg. If you want to use powder, that's fine as well. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon rosemary and 2 sage leaf, finely chopped. You can use any kind of dry herbs of your choice if you prefer. Combine everything together well. Now keep the chicken out at least 30 minutes before you start frying or dipping into the flour. Remove the chicken, shake off any excess liquid or the buttermilk. Coat the chicken well with the dry mixture. Now what I have done, I've divided the dry mixture into 2 parts, so that when I am done with the first part, and then I'm going to use the second part. So it's up to you totally how you want to work with. Now I'm going to just dip it back in the buttermilk, again back in the dry mixture. Go ahead and coat it well and generously, and press it down so that it has nice layer of the flour to get this crispiness in the chicken. Place it in the baking sheet and continue to the process. And once it's all done, here I've already preheated my oil at 350 Fahrenheit. And make sure while the frying process, your oil temperature is maintained throughout the process. Cook the chicken until it's nice and brown and crispy, and its internal temperature reaches at least 160 Fahrenheit, between 140 to 160 depending on the thickness of the chicken. Now if you want to keep this warm while you're cooking the rest of the chicken, preheat the oven at 160 to 200 and just place it in the oven. It will stay crispy and warm until it's ready. Sprinkle some salt on top before serving. Now to make the burger buns, I have put the recipe link below for the burger buns, and you can check it out. Just slice it, add any choice of topping with onions, radishes, green leaves, tomatoes, on choice of your sauce or anything you like. And I'm going to show you how it looks. It's beautifully cooked. The chicken is still nice and tender and juicy and perfectly cooked, and it's not overcooked. And it is great for any kind of get-together, and even the kids will love it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.